Hey up, morning folks. Welcome back on board Potemkin. Sunday morning, nice day out there. Just a bit of a cool wind at the moment, but seems to be warming up again after the poor weather the last few days or last few weeks. Anyway, but what I've found is I've got a leak here. This is leaking. The seal must have gone on top, and I need to sort that out. You can see it's dripping down. Right, so I've just come in. Oh, here we are. Yeah, I've just come in. You can see the water patch there. It's actually running down here. There's water there. It's running down the chimney. You can see all these witness marks on here. Yeah, we'll get that done today, so it stops it then. I knew it was leaking a bit. I've had a few drips in before. I knew there was something not right with it. It's not coming down the chimney. I knew that. It's a seal on the top. So it's two bolts in tapped holes that they've screwed and tapped the drilled and tapped the roof work. So we'll get some tools here and we'll get that out, and I'll weld a plate in there, and then it'll be sealed off, and then that, say, it's not stopping there anyway, the fire, so I better solve it now.
So freaking cool, can you believe? He'll bring his friends to college guys. Our weekend plans are such a dream. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Not a soul that when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. So, this is what happened. Brianna's such a goddess, could get anyone she likes. But when she's looking at me like that, I know she's only mine. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Her hands are...
Right, there we are. I made quick work of that. Good blades though, was the Bosch metal cutting blades. You get a fine one for cutting really thin sheet metal, and then that one's a coarser one. It just eats its way through that. So they're a good bit of kit then. If you buy the good blades, they do a good job. Like the cheap blades, and just wasting your money on them. So anyway, that's it. It's cut out. That's the bit we need. So we'll get the welding stuff out and we'll get up there and we'll get it done. Right, that's it. We're ready now. We've got the welding gear out there. That plate blocking all that lot off, so I know it's going to come through, and it'll probably get welded in because I'm going to weld the holes up. So it's just a thin bit of plate, just stop there forever, it don't matter. So that'll just sit on top and rest easy, so it should get it fairly level. So we'll get up there and get it done.
Underlying disease, and what we've got available in the
so freaking cool, can you believe? He'll bring his friends to college guys. Our weekend plans are such a dream. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Not a soul that when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. So, this is what happened. Brianna's such a goddess, could get anyone she likes. But when she's looking at me like that, I know she's only mine. My friends think she's so dumb. I'm stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Her hands are in my hair, whispering in my ear. I won't tell anyone, not a soul. But when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. It's so damn worth it, the secret we keep. Yeah, I'm a sucker for it. Well, I'm a sucker for it. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Her hands are in my hair, whisper in my ear. I won't tell anyone, not a soul. But when we are alone, she's touching me.
Right, that's it folks, we've done. There it is, all patched up. And just in time it's going to start raining.
Days. For state schools, that's about 6 weeks.
Right, that's it folks for this one. As I say, the heavens are just going to open. So just got that done in time, hopefully the paint will dry in 2 minutes as it's humid and it's a stormy weather out there. So anyway, that's it for this one today. So I'll see you all later. Ta-ra!